Oh yeah, I've just replaced the lock on my Discovery 1, but the problem is when it locks, usually what it does now open. But if I do it again, it opens. If I do it again, it's still opening. And now it's not opening. To release the lock, I have to stick my hand in, push up the little bar that's attached to the long spring. As you can see here from the old lock, I have to push up this bar here to get the door to open. On the original lock, this spring in here was broken, but on my new one, that's fixed. Any ideas, anybody? Why it's doing that? It'd be a great help. Obviously, I reinstalled all the rods and all, what I think is the correct way, and I checked various handbooks and PDFs online and manuals, and I've even changed these two bars around, but that didn't seem to make any difference. So any help would be a real help. Thanks, guys. Sorry for the video quality.